Welcome everyone. I hope you must stay safe and stay healthy. So let no further delay, let's begin. Today's topic is digestive system function. The digestive system is a vital bodily system that is responsible for processing the food ingested, absorbing necessary nutrients and water, and for eliminating waste materials from the body. What happens to all the food that we consume? Where does it go? Our body has digestive system which is responsible for working on the food ingested. It is assigned with functions such as food digestion, nutrient absorption, and elimination of food waste in the form of feces. Giving below is a brief overview of the digestive system parts and their functions. The digestive system is made up of a continuous tube called the digestive tract or gastrointestinal tract, extending from the mouth to the anus and some soiled organs such as the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Mouth. Digestion begins in the mouth itself. The food is broken down into smaller pieces using the teeth. Chewing making the job easier for the digestive juices in the stomach. Saliva formed in the mouth contains the enzyme called pathylene, which breaks down the food. The tongue then rolls the masticated food into a ball, known as the bolus, and passes it to posterior end of the mouth and into pharynx. Pharynx. The pharynx is a 5-inch long tube that serves as a common passage for both food and air. The pharynx allows the bolus from the mouth to enter the esophagus, which is the next part of digestive system. Esophagus. The esophagus is a 10 inches long tube-like passage that contains the pharynx with the upper end of the stomach. The blows from the mouth passages through the esophagus to reach the stomach. The upper and lower ends of the esophagus have sphincter muscles that prevent leaking of food from the stomach to the esophagus and the mouth. While swallowing, these muscles relax and allow passages of food and liquids. Stomach. The stomach is a cyclic structure and happens to be the most dilated part of the digestive system. The primary function of the stomach is to collect and break down food. The stomach secretes gastric juice which digests food like meat, eggs, and milk. However, gastric juice does not digest starch, sugars, and fats. It also scatters hydrochloric acids and pepsin enzymes, while certain types of food remain in the stomach for 2 to 5 hours after ingestion. Liquids and other small particles get emptied fast. This partly digested food in the stomach is called chyme, which is then passed to the small intestine. Small intestine. Stretching from the stomach to the large intestine is the 20 feet long small intestine, which is coiled in the central portion of the abdominal cavity. It is in this small intestine that the most extensive part of digestion occurs. The main functions of the small intestine include digestion and absorption of nutrients. The pancreas is a gland organ that is located behind the stomach and is contained to be duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. The pancreas starch hormones and digestive enzymes which help in digestion of food. Carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins are broken down and digested. Moreover, the salt secreted by the liver and gallbladder work in coordination with pancreatic lipids and digest lipids. Large intestine. The large intestine is a 5 feet long tube which is subdivided into different parts such as cecum,